Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Overlords once again, and today we will be looking at the Ahuja 59 XLR dynamic microphone. So I believe there is a economy microphone series from Ahuja, and they have pretty much budget microphones in that price range. The lowest one I think is the Ahuja 54, and this one is the 59 XLR. So this is a dynamic cardoid microphone, mainly meant for like live monitoring in the stage or functions. And also Ahuja has been a very reliable Indian brand for microphones. A lot of Indians prefer Ahuja along with me, and their stuff is really cool, much cheaper than most of the other companies. So let's open the box, which you can see you have this microphone holder. You have to screw that thing in the stand, I believe. Yeah, this one you have to screw it, and this is the clip where you have to attach your microphone. So let's keep that aside, and here we have the basic XLR to quarter-inch adapter, I guess. So this microphone, as you can understand, is normally meant for using with mixers and stuff like that, not with your PC, which you can obviously understand. Now the regular XLR input, to plug it behind the microphone. So let's take out the mic. Cannot complain at this price point, but it is pretty well packed in foam, so it is not a grand packaging, but this mic is incredibly cheap. You can find it for like $10, which is approximately 700 rupees, so quite cheap microphone. You also get a on-off switch, which is great. Now the build quality for the price isn't bad. I think it's pretty good. You have the XLR input over here, and it's not a badly built mic. It's pretty good. I think it's a pretty good budget mic for live shows and monitoring and stuff. So now condenser mics are based for studio recording. This guy is based for not for recording, so you cannot use this mic to record something, but it can still act as a singing microphone. So it's quite good in my opinion. Now that's, you have to plug that stand over here. Now Ahuja has got a pretty well collection of microphones. The expensive ones are really good. They are used for better places. They are used in studios mainly, and a lot of other places. Now this thing, this smaller adapter, I had to purchase it separately. Now you do not get this with the microphone itself. I wish that you could get, but if you do not have these, you cannot use it with your laptop or your PC. So make sure you buy a separate adapter with it, and then you can use it with your PC. So pretty budget microphone. I recommend it. I'll be back with its review and comparison with my condenser microphone very soon. So I'll see you guys next time. Till then, take it easy and stay tuned for more.